Hello, Victor here from Crewe, and I am delighted to present this Kia Sportage 1.7 CRDi EcoDynamics 3. Finished in white and powered by 1.7 CRDi diesel engine delivering 114 brake horsepower alongside a manual transmission, this Sportage delivers dependable usability with its strong efficiency and reassuring everyday performance. At the front, the xenon headlights with auto-leveling, LED daytime running lights, fog lights and chrome grille detailing give the Sportage a confident and modern face, and 18-inch alloy wheels enhance the sturdy stance. At the rear, privacy glass adds both style and comfort for passengers, paired with LED rear lighting, a sporty spoiler and tidy chrome enhancements. The boot provides generous room for day-to-day use, luggage or shopping, with wide loading area and practical touches such as hooks, load cover and luggage net. The split folding rear seats expand flexibility. In the back, passengers enjoy heated outer rear seats, a center armrest with cup holders, adjustable headrests and practical storage areas. Up front, leather-trimmed seats with heated functionality provide comfortable and supportive driving position. The layout is smart and intuitive, with center console offering easy access to media, climate and vehicle functions. The steering wheel includes a mounted audio and phone controls, cruise control and voice commands. Behind it, the 4.2-inch SuperVision cluster with TFT color display delivers clear trip data, vehicle status and driver information. The infotainment system gives you access to CD, MP3, radio and digital audio sources, as well as Bluetooth, hands-free calling and music streaming. Setup menu allowing you to adjust preferences, display audio and system settings, and display from the reversing camera for sharp rear visibility with on-screen guidelines. This has been a presentation of the Kia Sportage 1.7 CRDi EcoDynamics, now available at Crewe. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.